Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you what I've been doing with my straight hair to keep it straight for 2 weeks. As you can see, the roots at the front is kind of puffy now because I had to add some gel to slick it down, but it's been straight for 2 whole weeks, and I don't think I've ever been able to do that before. So I'm going to show you what I've been using on my hair and what I used in the past to compare the two. So as far as detangling, what I would do with my hair, I would just use my Denman brush, and the product I've been using is the TGIN Miracle Repair Anti-Breakage Serum. So basically what I've noticed, well, let me show you the other product. What I usually use is just my heat protectant serum because I love serums on my hair. And I noticed that in the past when I would use this, the Icy Fantasia, my hair would be soft and moist and nice and all of that, but my hair would puff up in like a day or two. But with this, it's been straight this whole time. And I was like, what what is going on? So I decided to look at the ingredients, and basically the difference is the TGIN is mostly just like oils. It said the ingredients: coconut oil, olive oil, peach kernel oil, raw black honey, papaya oil, ginger oil, marula oil, jojoba oil, rice oil, burdock roots, maca oil, vitamin E, and fragrance. And this thing smells amazing. That's the main reason why I chose to use this on my hair. I just needed my hair to smell better, to smell really good. And this has like a really strong perfumey smell, so if you do decide to get it, you don't want to use a lot of it because it's really strong, especially if you're like sensitive to strong smells. Yeah, so basically that's the difference. This one has oils and this one does not even one oil. Well, it says vitamin E. Yeah, so basically this is just a mix of oils, and this is just not oils. It has a lot of cones in it. Yeah, so that's what I've been using on my hair. I would use the TGIN, a couple of drops to just detangle my hair and style it whenever I'm styling it. If I'm just home, I'm not messing with my hair, I just put it up in a single braid. Yeah, so that's basically it. And I wanted to record my hair reverting because the last time I kept my hair straight this long is when I had heat damage. So I'm pretty sure I don't, by the way my hair reacted to the gel and the water, like the back of my hair, but I just want to check and I want to record it for you guys. So I'm gonna do this side. So it's just plain water in here, and I'm just gonna start spraying it and see how fast my hair reverts. So I have a lot of oil in my hair. So because of all of the oils, it's gonna take a while for the water to like penetrate my strands, but it's starting to revert. Well, the top is where the gel was. I don't really see anything at the bottom. Okay. Alright, so it's starting to curl up. smells really good. I've been itching to wash my hair from like last week. I was like, you know what? Let me stretch this out and see how long my hair is gonna stay straight. And this would be a whole lot faster if I was in the shower, but y'all ain't coming in the shower with me. Okay, some pieces are still straight. So now that I know that I shouldn't be using the Fantasia when I straighten my hair, I'm definitely gonna just stick to the oil. Unless I'm trying to get my hair to be bigger, to look like a blowout or something. Alright, so the pieces in the back, they're still straight. Well, yeah. The first day I went outside and I came in and it was still straight, I was like, oh. Uh-oh. I think it's fine. I'm pretty confident it's fine. Okay, the back is shrinking, but it's taking a long time. Okay, everything is curled up except for these back pieces here. Okay. Praise the Lord. All right, everything is fine. It smells so good. And it's so soft. Okay. Well, I'm happy. Alright, let me take this off so you guys can really see the difference. Alright, so. And it's still shrinking, especially back here. I think the back of my hair shrinks the most. Alright guys, I hope this was entertaining or helpful in some way. So I was getting quite a few questions on my Instagram page about how I was keeping my hair straight. So all I was using was oils. So if you're putting like your usual moisturizer that you would put on your curly hair, on your straight hair, then of course your hair is gonna start reverting. So if you want to keep your hair straighter, longer, you want to avoid using your usual moisturizers and any kind of steam or anything like that. So when you're going in the shower, make sure all of your hair is completely covered under your shower cap. And yeah, just use a little bit of oil, focusing on your ends, and you tangle before you style. What else? I think that's pretty much it. But you still want to be like really gentle, even though your hair is not curled up now. You want to be really gentle with your straight hair, of course. Yeah, so what I'm using to clean my hair today is my TGIN Miracle Repair Strengthening Shampoo. I've been using this for a few weeks now, quite a while. They sent me a box with some goodies and I decided to try it out, and been working pretty good. It's like a, let me show you the consistency. I don't know why I poured out so much. It's like a honey, kind of like a honey consistency. And it's really gentle on the hair. So if your hair and your scalp is really dirty, you might have to shampoo more than once. But if your hair is not that dirty, just focus on your scalp with the shampoo, and one wash should be enough. Alright, so if you guys want to check out this shampoo, like, you know, I rarely use shampoo, and I think I'll probably do another video about that, explaining why I'm starting to use shampoo and like all the things I'm kind of tweaking with my regimen. The overall health of my hair, what I noticed that's been working really great for my hair recently, just because of like a couple changes that I've made. So I've been I'll make a separate video about that. So if you have any requests, any questions about anything, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. I would love to interact with you guys. If you have any comments or anything, go ahead and leave it below. Of course, our hair growth challenge is still going on. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Alright. Bye guys.